guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and today I have a Vellabox for you. Vellabox is a monthly candle subscription and they have 3 different options. You can either get one 4-ounce candle for $10 plus $3 shipping, one 8-ounce candle for $20 plus $3 shipping, or you can get both a 4-ounce and an 8-ounce candle for $30 and free shipping. Plus they add in a little extra, which is often chocolate. So this month, let's see, it says, "The new year stands before us like a chapter in a book waiting to be written." And it has a cute little picture here. There's always a little picture and themes. So these are cute little bags. They always come in these cute little bags. I already took mine out because I've been smelling them. I got this yesterday and I could not wait to open it, but I didn't get around to filming until today. So anyway, every month they use a different candle company. So this month's candle company is Feya Candles. Okay, so the first one, this is the 8-ounce candle. This is brown sugar and fig. Fragrance notes, brown sugar, sweet vanilla, freshly cut figs. And this smells really, really wonderful. It's kind of a lighter scent and it's not overly sweet. With brown sugar and fig, you think it's going to be just like sweet, maybe fruity, but it's not. It has a nice warmth to it, but it's not overly sweet. And then the smaller one is Pear Spice. Succulent pears and rich spices. This one does smell sweet and fruity. It has a nice tartness to it, but it also has that wonderful spice. It's really lovely. I really love the scent of both of these, and they come in these great little jars. And then the little extra this month is, at first I was like, is that just a slice of wood? But it's a coaster. It's made from real birch and it is just a slice of wood from a birch tree. So this is actually really cool and I love this. You could either put your candle on it or use it as a coaster for your wine glass, I don't know. And this is from Winter Woods Inc., which is a company in Wisconsin. So that's fun, right? And then they also include coupons for both Winter Woods and Feya Candles if you wanted to repurchase or get more of these because you love them so much. And these are handmade soy candles. I love the way this one smells. All of my Vellabox candles have always been truly wonderful. So anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box if you guys want to check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you Vellabox for sending me this box. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!